Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to register Discord account. Let's start. Go to Play Store and download Discord app. After download, then click Open Discord app. Now click Register. Now enter phone or email. I am registered for my email. Now enter your email and tap next. Now enter your name, tap next. Now enter a strong password and click next. Enter your date of birth. Click confirm and verify the captcha. Complete the steps. Choose the profile pic. That's it. Your Discord account created successfully. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.